What's going on, guys? It's your boy in Room 300. I'm back again with another video. Ooh, I'm excited about this one, y'all. Oh man, I'm excited about this one. Y'all saw the title. This is an unboxing, and I got the beautiful box ready. Y'all about to open this up for y'all right now. Show y'all what it is. The anticipation is killing y'all. I know. All right, so let me open this up real quick. Trusty scissors right here. Yeah, alright, so what I got, right? I've been searching for this fragrance. I don't need to put this up here. I've been searching for this fragrance for a couple of years. And the reason why is because I found out late that it got discontinued. I actually was going to purchase this about last year, but I pulled the trigger on something else, and then they discontinued the fragrance. And the company I bought the fragrance from is, can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all see that? Y'all can't see it. I'm messing with y'all. Let me show y'all. There's a lot of packaging in here. The company that I purchased the fragrance from is by Kilian. And that fragrance is Amber Oud. Yes, I got a bottle of Amber Oud. I was under the impression that this fragrance was completely sold out, that it was not available except in the little decan or travel sprays or refillable bottles, and I didn't want that. I wanted the full presentation, and I called up a couple of boutiques. And the one in New York, the one up, I guess towards, Fifth Avenue, or towards Tiffany's area, the upper part of Manhattan. That boutique was able to get me this bottle. And shout out to Shantae. She was the sales rep that was able to find this for me. So that's why I'm gonna stop talking. Let me open this up because y'all came here for the unboxing. Let's open this bad boy up. Now, those who are enthusiasts have been in this game as long as I have for 8+ years. Y'all know this was one of the best fragrances that came out in the market, right? And I just don't understand why they discontinued it. It didn't make sense to me. But I ain't mad. I got literally the last bottle that they had in that store. They might have it in another one, I'm not sure, but I'm just happy that I got it. So let's open this bad boy up real quick. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Okay, how many packages? God damn, how many openings are there? Let's see if I can slide that out. Can I slide it out? There we go. Let's slide out. Let's get it. Oh, I got it the wrong way. Is this way? Is it this way? Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Can you guys see that? Oh my God, that is beautiful. Let's open this up. Got the card there. All the information. And the tassel with the key. And it sits in that beautiful, oh. Y'all don't understand how happy I am right now. Let me put this down. Look at that. Amber Oud. Amber Oud. And I know y'all gonna be surprised about this. This is my actual first official by Kilian fragrance. It's the first one I've ever purchased. I don't know why. It's the first one I've ever purchased. And I don't know why. But I'm getting some more. I gotta get some more. But I'm gonna be on the search for the discontinued ones for now. I gotta get those before they completely gone. But there we go. I'll be doing a full review on this. Don't worry, it's coming. Y'all know I got y'all on a review. But man, I'm so happy that I got this fragrance. Y'all don't even understand. So here you go again. Full presentation, unboxing. I'll do a little caption of the fragrance so you guys can see a little better. But man, I'm happy that I got this one. All right, so let's look at the full presentation right now. Right. Hey guys, real quick, I also got to mention that they gave me a crazy amount of samples. Look at that. And the 7 milliliter decant of Straight to Heaven. I am overwhelmed with joy. This is crazy, man. One of my dream fragrances I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and presentation video I put together. And yeah, stay tuned for the review. That's going to come real soon. And until next time, like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out in the next video. And then, peace.